At Soligie, when we try to solve problems for customers, we really come at it from the perspective of it's got to be very robust in a manufacturing environment. And so when we start projects, that's the first thing we think about.
We're one of the relatively few companies in the US doing flexographic printing roll-to-roll of functional materials. This allows us to prepare a product for our customers, which can then be taken on to further processing and converting, much of which is done in a roll-to-roll format. A unique, I think, capability that we have is in this roll-to-roll system to be able to create and print through vias, which allow us to connect circuits on one side of a substrate with circuits on the other side of the substrate.
So customers don't really need to limit themselves in terms of the scope of the projects that they pursue with Soligie. We can take on the very small proof of feasibility, proof of concept type projects, all the way up to the very high volume manufacturing type projects, and really anything in between.
So we also have a moderate scale flatbed screen printing system here with a shuttle table for auto feeding and auto takeoff into a large conveyor belt oven. This has been installed because it actually can achieve relatively high volume and at the moment is able to answer many of the needs of our customers. It's particularly useful for a lot of medical applications where some of the active materials have been designed to work with flatbed systems and are not yet ready to work on the very, very high volume system. However, its capabilities will allow us to develop further knowledge of those materials and allow us again to migrate from sheet-fed systems which have low to mid-volume capabilities through to the very high volumes that we can address with the roll-to-roll system.